Hello, my name is Alex Reeves, and in this slidecast, I will be analyzing the body language of Oscar Munoz, the CEO of United Airlines, in his apology video regarding the mistreatment of a passenger. Body language is largely up for interpretation, so I will be explaining how I interpreted the speaker's body language.
I'd like to again apologize to Dr. Dow, to his family, to every person on that flight 3411, and of course to all our customers and employees worldwide. Further, I'm personally sorry for the fact that my immediate response and the response of our airline was inadequate to that moment.
Munoz's body language is reflective of his apology as he gestures towards himself and explains that his response and his company's response to the situation were inadequate. By doing this, he demonstrates that he is taking responsibility for what happened and will ensure that it never happens again. This helps to build the credibility of his apology, as he is taking the blame for the dilemma rather than blaming the victim or customers. He gestures towards himself to ensure that the audience is aware that he is taking the responsibility.
Perhaps the largest failure, our employees did not have the authority to do what was right or to use, frankly, their common sense, as some of you outlined. And in that moment, for our customers and our company, we failed. And so, as CEO, at the end of the day, that is on me. And this has to be a turning point for the 87,000 people and professionals here at United. And it is my mission to make sure that we make the changes needed to provide our customers the highest levels of service, of course, that you come to respect, reliability, but also, as some of you, a deeper sense of respect and trust and dignity.
Here we see more nonverbal communication from Munoz as he continues to make eye contact with various people around the room and even the camera, which indicates that he is aware of the customers who are potentially watching at home. His facial expression and hand gestures illustrate that he is serious about the issue and is deeply sorry that his company failed all of its customers on the basis of trust. He once again indicates that he is responsible by gesturing towards himself and explaining that changes must be made in the future. By giving these gestures, he implies that he's going to personally make it happen by changing the way his company operates, which increases the credibility of his claim because he is the CEO and he is taking matters into his own hands. Overall, Oscar Munoz displays sincere body language towards United customers and employees throughout the press conference. He uses facial expressions and hand gestures to reassure customers and shareholders that the situation will be handled and it will never happen again. Thank you for taking the time to watch my slidecast.